Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove PayPal from Temu in 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, log in to Temu website. Once you've logged in, hover over Orders and Account. Then click on your profile. Then on the left side, scroll down a little and click on your payment methods. If you have added your PayPal, it should appear here. As you can see, I haven't added any payment methods here, but basically, you're just gonna see something like this. So you just have to click on the Remove button. Then a confirmation button will appear, so you just have to click on that as well. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.